Hi! In front of me is POCO F5 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Privacy Protection. Now select All Permissions and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like camera. Now tap on one of your apps, in my case Chrome, and tap on the best option for you in order to apply it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time or don't allow. I want to set up allow only while using, so when I click and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using it. But you can always just pick one of your apps that you wish to manage, like Chrome. Select See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!